What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, we are once again going to be back working on the 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. We are going to start putting all of the finishing touches on the front end and the hood of the Jeep. We're going to start by putting the lower grille surround on the front bumper cover, and then we're going to move on to installing all the hood emblems, the hood decal for the Trailhawk, and the hood grille. Once we get all that done, we're going to do some prep work, get the hood sanded and buffed so it matches the rest of the paint and it looks perfect. And then we're going to wrap up on all of those finishing touches and we'll show you the final result. So without further ado, let's get that hood ready for the decal application and keep going with this rebuild. Guys, as you just watched, we got the hood completely sanded and buffed and it looks amazing, perfectly smooth, no trash, no bubbles, nothing in the clear coat. It looks really good and it is ready for us to apply the decal to it and get that smoothed out so the decal looks perfect like it came from the factory. So without further ado, I am going to grab the decal, unbox it, get it laid out on the hood, wet the back side of it, and start squeegeeing it onto the hood so it looks really good and turns out amazing. So guys, now that the decal is installed and the application turned out really nice, I am super happy with it. We are going to move on to installing the lower grille surround for the Trailhawk trim, and then we are going to install the hood emblem that says Jeep above the grille. We're going to get both of those installed, and then after that we are going to move on to installing the hood grille, the 7-slot piece that just came in from the dealer after a week of waiting for it to be delivered. So let's get started, get that lower piece installed, get the emblem stuck on, and then we will be ready to put the finishing touch, the grille, on the hood. now that we have that emblem installed on the hood, the Trailhawk is officially a Jeep once again. Now we are going to unbox the new grille, get that installed, and install all of the securing nuts on the back side of it, and we will be completed with all of the pieces of the hood. So guys, now that we have given the Jeep its personality back by adding its emblems, its decal, and its grille back to the hood, we are going to start preparing the hood for an Xpel paint protection film. You guys have seen this done in previous videos on the channel, so I'm just going to set you up on a time lapse and we're going to show you how that's done. Get it installed on the hood. I've already done the lower bumper cover in the previous video, so if you guys are interested, you can go back and watch that process as well. But now we're going to get the hood done so that will be protected from any rock chips or damage in the future when the car is being driven. That is going to be the end of today's video. From a rebuild standpoint, the Jeep is complete. We have no more parts to put on it and nothing else to do to it. We installed the Xpel paint protection film on the hood, and as you saw, it turned out amazing. The entire rebuild is complete on this Jeep. In the next video, we are going to be giving it a full buff and polish and installing a new ceramic coating on it so it looks its best and is protected from the elements, as it will be my daily driver going forward once it passes its rebuild inspection. So as always, you guys, if you liked this video and you liked this rebuild so far, if you like the channel content, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and drop a comment down below. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day.